Hi, my name is Tseng. I'm a digital accessibility specialist and I'm also a person with a vision impairment. Today I'm going to be showing you how we as blind people can play Counter-Strike 2 with the JBL Quantum Guide Play software. With the JBL Quantum Guide Play software, I'm hearing clicking sounds that are coming from my right side of the headset. So that's indicating to me that there's an obstacle on my front, on the right, and that's the nearest obstacle to me. Using the Guide Play software, there's also many other audio cues that would trigger, for example, when teammates are near me and things like that. And using a combination of all these audio cues, I'm able to navigate the map and play Counter-Strike 2.
Outside tunnel. Inside B.
So I want to plant the bomb. Let's go to the bomb site.
Inside B.
There we go. There we go. Okay. So
North.
Right now what I'm doing is I'm just practicing the map around here because I'm still getting used to the software. It's still brand new to me, and recently there was a bunch of updates to make things better for people with vision impairments playing the game like myself. So another thing about this software is that it's open source and people can contribute to it. So I'm looking forward to see how people improve it over time. There we go. Alright, that was an introduction on how we can use JBL Quantum Guide Play to play Counter-Strike 2.